Hello friends, thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a flat sketch in very simple way using mirror trace technique. Let's start without wasting any time. So I have opened the Adobe Illustrator and this is a blank page. Using line tool, draw a perpendicular line. Change the line into red color so that later we can delete it easily. Now select this line, copy it and then click paste in front. It will create an overlapping copy. Now rotate the second copy of this line to the horizontal position. Now go to Window and then Layers. In the layer window, can you see the small circle next to the blue dot? Click on it. Then go to Effects. Distort and Transform, and then click Transform. So in the Transform window, change the angle to 180 degree. Change the copies to 2. Click on Reflect Y and then OK. Now let's draw something on the left side of the perpendicular line. Can you see? It is creating a mirror image on the right side of the line. Amazing, right? So whatever we will draw on the left side will create a mirror copy on right. Let's start with a flat sketch. Let me delete the unwanted shapes. Now select both the lines, go to Object and then Lock Selection. This is to lock the red lines so that it should not move from its position. Now I'll go to Google and will search for flat sketch images. Let's start with a simple dress sketch. Copy this image from Google and then open a new blank page and paste it there. Now right-click on it, then click on Crop Image. Remember, to create a mirror sketch, just use one face of the sketch. Keep this image saved so that you can use it for backside tracing. Now copy this cropped image, go back to previous page and then paste it there. Now reduce the opacity of this sketch to 50% so that we can also see the mirror copy of this sketch which is below this sketch. Now use your keyboard left and right arrow key to place it exactly on each other. I am going to reduce the opacity more by 25%. Now click on the image sketch and then go to Object and Lock Selection. This will prevent the image to move from its position while tracing. So let's start tracing over the sketch using pen tool. I will use black stroke color with no fill. So as you can see, whatever I am drawing on the left side is getting sketched on the right side. Complete all the details carefully. The sketch is almost ready. Do the final correction before filling the color. Once the sketch is complete, go to Object and click Unlock All. Now using Direct Selection tool, click on the image sketch and delete it. Now go to Select and click Select All, and then go Object and then click on Expand Appearance. Now delete the red line and your sketch is ready for color fill. To fill the color, open Swatch box. Select Complete Sketch and then click K in the keyboard. K is the keyboard shortcut of Live Paint. Pick any color from the swatch box and start filling the color in the sketch. I hope I was able to make your life simpler with this new technique. If you have to learn something new, feel free to comment in the comment box so I can create video on that topic. So if you like this tutorial, kindly like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.